So start with the leg forward. Open it out to the side. We already did that move. Pitch forward, foot to the ceiling. Bring it under and bring it forward. Open out. Pitch forward, turn it in and under. 3. Around and up and under. 4 and around and up and under. 1 more this way. 5 and up and under. Hold your balance for a moment. Hold. Focus your eyes. And reverse it. Lean forward. Lift it out to the side. Up and under to the front. Pitch forward. Open it out to the side. Keep squeezing the ball or it'll fall. And 3. Up, out, and around. 4. Up, out, and around. 1 more. 5. Up, out, and around. And hold your balance. Hold.